Hello everyone, and I want to welcome you to my channel, Your Financial Freedom. And on this channel, you guys are going to get videos about how to make money online and how you guys can enjoy your financial freedom. So I created this channel mainly because, I want to help you guys make money online. And like I said, I'm going to be uploading videos about opportunities that can help you do just that. Now, if you guys are looking to earn an extra income online, this is the channel you want to subscribe to, because I'm not going to give you any videos that give you any hype. I'm just going to tell you how it is, and I'm going to lay it all out for you. I'm not going to keep anything from you. I'm going to tell you the honest truth. You know, I've been an entrepreneur since 2014. When I came online, I had no sponsor. I had no one to show me how to do any of the stuff I know how to do right now. I just created this, as you see where it says Your Financial Freedom. I created that myself. I didn't have anyone create that for me. I created that myself. I had to learn how to do that, okay? So if you guys are interested in learning how to make money online, how to create your own financial freedom, as well as learning how to create your own YouTube channel, how to create it the same way I created mine, you definitely want to subscribe to my channel. And like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys the truth. I'm just going to be giving it to you like it is, because I know a lot of people are just giving you guys a bunch of lies. I mean, I tell people the truth. I help people as much as I can. I even show people how to make money online for free. So I have a whole separate channel for that. But, you know, basically, I just talk about, if you're trying to become an entrepreneur, if you guys are trying to, have that financial freedom to spend time with your family, then this is the channel that you guys want to subscribe to. You came to the right place, okay? So I'm going to be posting the link to my channel on Facebook, and I'm going to be just putting up videos every day on the opportunities that I'm a part of that can help you guys make some extra income online, okay? So without further ado, I want to welcome you guys to my new channel, Your Financial Freedom. I hope you guys like the content I put up. I would like for you guys to just leave your comments below in every video I post, letting me know what you like, what you didn't like, if I need to add anything. If you guys have any questions, you can leave your comments, and you can leave your questions in the comments below the videos. I will leave my contact information below so you guys can contact me if you have any questions. And that's basically it. Okay, my name is Velvet Davis. I've been marketing online since 2014, and I can honestly tell you it's better than having a 9-to-5 job. It is. I mean, hands down, being able to work online and having the financial freedom to be able to spend time with my son, to be able to work when I want and not have to, build someone else's dream and be able to build my own. You guys have no idea how stress-free my life is right now. I am living a life of where I do not have to answer to anyone except myself. Okay? So if that's the type of lifestyle you're trying to live, if that's what you want for yourself and your family, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload more videos. All right, take care, you guys.